with Scratch Tutorials, and today is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. So today we'll be continuing where our last left off with Scratch Tutorials. So basically we are going to continue onto operators, variables, and my blocks. Okay, so let's get started with this video. Okay, so the first thing we are learning is the plus sign, this. So basically, this plus sign basically adds things, like in maths. So if I enter like 10 plus 8, then if I click on this, then it will say 18, which is correct. So this just adds things, and I can put this in, and I can put these operators into like, where is it? I can put these operators, oh yeah, in motion. So if you go to motion, you can go here and you can add two numbers together, x and y. I mean, for x, both x and y. So if I duplicate this and put it here, so I could just say plus 80 plus 10 and 40 plus 50. You could either put it like this or actually put the put it in type it in here like the answer, like x would be 90 and it would be 90. So 90 and 90. So if I just get a control, events, sorry. So if you go to events and get a when flag clicked and you click the green flag, it will put scratch cat somewhere. You can also put this in change size by, set size to, or change color effect by, or set color effect to, or also say hello, or for 2 seconds, or say hello forever, think for 2 seconds, or think forever. So all of these blocks are compatible with the operator. So I'm just gonna delete all. Okay, so the next one is the exact same thing, but you're just subtracting. So like 50 minus, let's say 8. So it would be 42. So yeah, 42. This also works with all the blocks that I've shown with the plus sign, and yeah. So basically, there's two other ones, which are multiply and divide. So multiply is like it will multiply two numbers. So 2 and 3 would be 6, and that's correct. And 10 and 2, 2, which is 5. So basically, these are also compatible with all the blocks that are used for the plus, minus, and yeah. Let me just delete these. Okay, so the next block is a pick random. Basically, this pick random, it picks random numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So basically, if I click on it, it will say 2. But if I click on it again, it will say 3. So it will just keep on choosing random numbers from 1 to 10. We can go as long as we want. So see, we can go as long as we want. And these blocks are also compatible with all the other ones, like glide, this one, that one, and go to random position or turn 15 degrees. Yeah, it's just a lot of compatibility. So the next one are these blocks. So these blocks, this is greater than, less than, and equal to. So basically, this equal to is for, it's like if 50 is equal to 50, it will say true. But if I put like 40, then it will say false. And these are used in the if then else, the wait until, or the repeat until. So I can give an example, like if 40 is greater than 50, which is false, then I can put like if it is, then go to this place, but if it's else, then, or if it's not, then I can go to x0 and y0, which is basically the middle of our screen. So if I press it, 3, 2, 1, see, it went to the middle because it was false. But if I put like 60, oh, that's 6. Okay, 60, then it would go back to 90 because 60 is greater than 50. And it's same for these blocks too. So if 40 is equal to 50, that's false, so it will go to 0, 0. But if I put 50, then it would work because 50 is equal to 50. And the same thing with the less than. So I'm going to drag all these blocks back in. Okay. So our next one is the and. The and, basically it basically join. If you take this one and this one, so take the less than and greater than. So basically, if I drag this into if then, it would say if 40 is less than 50 and 60 is less than 50, both of them have to be true for this if statement to work. So basically, see, it says true. But if I change only one value, or actually 60, if I change one value, it would false. So it's if I just take it into a if then again, so if I just do like ask what your name is, and also set drag mode to not draggable. So since this is false, it will set the drag mode to not draggable. So see, I can't drag. Oh wait, I'm gonna put a forever loop. Where is it? Okay, there. And I'm gonna put a event there. So now, so since it's false, and it's not draggable, because if I go to a C project page and I press the play button, I can't drag him. It's like impossible to drag him. So let's go back inside. Okay, so basically this is how the and works. And the next one is the exact same, the exact opposite, basically. So basically, or is basically showing that one value only has to be true, but the other one doesn't. So basically, if I just put like this, and then if I put 50 equals 50, and 40 is greater than 50, then it would say true, because at least one value is correct. So this or only means like one value has to be correct for it to work. So basically this is the same as the and, but only one value has to be equal instead of both values have to be equal. Okay, the next one is not. So this not thing, so here's one example. So basically, if I press this key, and it's false. But if I do it now, it's true. So if I do this and press it, it would say false. But it's the other way around than this being just its old thing. So see, it's true, but here it's false when I'm not pressing my space key. And if I put it here, if I'm pressing space and I play it, it's false. And if I play it again without touching it, then it's true. So this not is used in like games where in like Flappy Bird, so you can only flap once, not forever. So you would put if the spacebar is down, and then wait until spacebar is down, then you can flap